Hello and welcome to Spanish Basics. In this module, I'll be speaking to you about foods. We'll begin with a discussion of common food expressions. I'll follow that with a review of kitchen items. And lastly, I'll be speaking to you about dining expressions. Now, here is a list of common food items. I'll begin at the upper left. Breakfast is el desayuno. Lunch is el almuerzo. Dinner is la cena. Egg is el huevo. Potatoes is las papas. Bacon is el tocino. Ham is el jamón. Toast is la tostada. Butter is la mantequilla. Jam is la mermelada. Jelly is la jalea. Coffee is el café. Milk is la leche. Tea is el té. Beans is los frijoles. Rice is el arroz. Salt is la sal. Pepper is la pimienta. Sugar is el azúcar. Bread is el pan. Steak is el beefsteak. Fish is el pescado. Chicken is el pollo. Vegetables is los vegetales. Salad is la ensalada. Lettuce is la lechuga. Carrots is las zanahorias. Tomato is el tomate. Cucumber is el pepino. And squash is la calabaza. Continuing onward, fruit is la fruta. Orange is la naranja. Apple is la manzana. Banana is el plátano. Mango is el mango. Papaya is la papaya. Grapes is las uvas. Pear is la pera. Peach is el durazno. Plum is la ciruela. Cherry is la cereza. Melon is el melón. Watermelon is la sandía. Lemon is el limón. Raisin is la pasa. A sweet potato or yam is el camote. Cinnamon is la canela. Ice cream is el helado. Cake or pastry is el pastel. Pudding is el pudín. Chocolate is el chocolate. Vanilla is la vainilla. Strawberry is la fresa. Now here we have a list of common kitchen items. Once again, beginning in the upper left. Fork is el tenedor. Knife is el cuchillo. Spoon is la cuchara. Plate is el plato. Glass is el vaso. Cup is la taza or la copa. Table is la mesa. Pitcher is el jarro. Countertop is la encimera. Kitchen sink is el lavaplatos. Frying pan is la sartén. Pot is la olla. Oven is el horno. Range or stove is la estufa. Apron is el mandil. Refrigerator is el refrigerador. Freezer is el congelador. Rolling pin is el rodillo. Salt shaker is el salero. Cooking oil is el aceite. Toaster is el tostador. Microwave is el microondas. And trash is la basura. Now on this slide is a list of very common dining expressions. To say you like a food, use the verb gustar. Now many people think gustar means to like. It actually means to please. Let's give you some examples. I like chicken. Me gusta el pollo. You're actually saying chicken pleases me. I like vegetables. Me gustan los vegetales. Once again, you're actually saying vegetables please me. Note the agreement in number between the verb and the object of the verb. Now, I would like to see the menu. Me gustaría ver el menú. I would like to see the wine list. Me gustaría ver la carta de vinos. Waiter is el mesero. Waitress is la mesera. Now, I want my meat well done. Quiero mi carne bien cocido. I want my meat medium. Quiero mi carne mediana. I want my meat rare. Quiero mi carne medio crudo. The check, please. La cuenta, por favor. The tip, la propina. Now, we're at the end of this module. I'd like to share with you a refrain or a proverb. Donde hay buena amistad, hay buenos recuerdos. Where there is good friendship, there are good memories. Well, I want to thank you for watching Spanish Basics. Have a good day. Muchas gracias.